Oh, nice. How's it going, guys? Back here at Woodward again. Just started to rain. As we roll up. It's good?
Wow.
It's good.
The grippiest ground, so maybe the rain, it'll like fight it.
We only drove a little bit to get here.
Oh no.
But yeah, this is one of Woodward's new parks. They've really been building a lot of shit lately. I don't know what got into them. See how she goes.
We just waited until it rained.
Get it, yeah, oh, yo. We're not too deep in this time, actually. Maybe like 30 minutes. I usually skip recording this part because 90% of the time I look like a goon, but I mean, I'll let you witness it this time, even though it hurts my self-esteem.
Nice. Oh my god.
I'm so smooth. It's crazy.
Clean?
I ride for Madeira pretty much just because I can ride bowls really well. Need me to show you how to do that, bro?
I'll fight you if you do it first try.
Where will he go? Oh!
Stunts. Haha!
Wit!
I was flowing the bowl, did you see that?
Dude, that drop in is so good. Oh!
Far out?
Yeah.
Woo! They said I wouldn't.
That means
Scooter shoes.
Scooter
shoes.
Scooter.
Yeah.
Get that out of your hand so you can drop in.
Oh, really?
Stop vlogging and maybe ride for a second.
I don't ride. I just try to get as much footage as possible so I can make the most amount of money.
Oh yeah.
I'm filming so well. Oh yeah. This is why Jay lets me use this camera. Yeah, Brad.
I don't know what's going on. I can't focus for some reason. So this is for the dent. Oh, I talked over it. Yo. No. Oh. Oh, I'm a good zoomer. Oh. What are you digging at, boy?
Hey, that was like me. That was like me.
Park is so grippy, the rain doesn't even matter, but it's like... Almost.
So If Jay doesn't pull it this try, he's not getting Milkshake tonight. I'm not gonna tell him, but the pressure is on. So we've been ripping some fat milkshakes lately, but Jay's about to miss out.
Alright, Pete, he's in it. Oh, yes. Oh, yes. Oh my god!
We just made a bet. You gotta hit it right here.
Hit it right here.
Why you guys gotta stress me out
And
like
if you do
that?
hit it right here, you get to make a good one, man. A real good one.
Yeah.
A big one. Strawberry good one.
Don't mess with me like that.
Here, I'll crank the look back for you. They're
Okay.
inspiring, right? Oh, go. Ah!
Jay is gonna get a peanut butter milkshake tonight.
Title of the ball there, bud.
Cranking. Calling it. Guys.
Yeah, I can green. I can green.
Wow, dive.
I got some technical difficulties. I forgot how to 3 for a second and took myself out.
He popped his tire, so he's gonna go ahead and put his front wheel on my bike because I don't have pegs.
And
Why I don't have pegs, I don't know. But
no, I'll do it.
that's another question. He just went so flat on the spine, threeing it, that he popped his back tire. So he's gonna put his front wheel on my bike, which has a peg, continue to try to get the line, but on my bike now.
What a goofball.
Yeah. Hey, you're gonna love the Z coaster. Let's wait. Aaron's coming in with the line. Okay, here comes Aaron. Blast the old hip here. Very local. Oh, now into the bike. Nice and tinner. Big. That's gonna feel sick.
That's gonna be easier.
It's gonna be chill.
It should be easier.
And Z coaster as well. So.
Let me just do a test manual and then I'm not 3 in the spine. I'm not 450 in the
No,
spine.
you're threeing the spine.
No, I just want to do this. I don't care about
Alright,
the food.
alright.
Make sure I don't disengage.
Oh shit, this guy's local. Oh god. Oh, I haven't even seen this line yet. Whoa! Go! So many transfers here. Oh my gosh!
God damn it, I have to do this.
Will he pull it? Oh, no, you broke my bike! I wasn't filming.
That was, I'm not even freaking happy. That was 400 tries.
That was legitimately probably 80 tries.
Probably more like 46.
I'm more impressed that he changed bikes and then could still pull it.
Yeah, let's acknowledge that. That's
That
not
I
just
also
bike.
don't even, he
And
rides a
he's on
cassette.
first
I don't even ride a cassette.
Yeah.
Better bike, bro.
It's better. Well, I'm gonna record for the rest of the day. Hopefully I didn't blow my tire out. I didn't look at that. You guys like that 450? Yeah. Soul Skater really threw me off a little bit. Not displacing blame or anything, but Aaron does line. Did you flip? What the?
My bike feels broken though.
I don't know why it would. Oh, now it's broken. Another one. Oh. Ow. What the heck? Ah, almost. Oh. Well, no, it's okay. It's all right.
Get that fool, Alex! Get that fool!
If you do a hot bar, I'll buy your dinner.
Me?
I'll hot bar it.
If
Deal? Yeah, you'll buy me In-N-Out?
the first person to do it.
He already owes me money.
I do. I'm gonna.
Oh my god,
well-
I didn't know it was that bad. Here, wait. I haven't given up yet. One more try. It's so hard.
Oh!
God damn it.
Almost. What did you do?
Hurt my arm.
Oh my. Oh fuck.
I'm not out. I just want to do it. It hurts so bad.
Eating for tacos.
Yo!
I like it. Ooh, he had pop.
Alright, Aaron's getting risky with the rain. This is spot mods.
This is a fat gap too.
Oh, scheisse.
Oh!
Oh my god, you're gapping into it?
I'm gonna call it while Aaron is busy destroying his wheel more. That's all she wrote for OB. I got really hung up on that manual, so there aren't many clips of me flowing around, but I got a lot out of the bowl. It was fun. Hopefully we come back before we begin the drive. Back tomorrow, or in 3 days, or 4 days, or whenever the hell I upload. I don't have a schedule. Yeah, I'll see you next time.
Stop watching these videos.